How to create a new Amazon account. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to easily create a new Amazon account for free. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your web browser and search for Amazon Login. Once you do this, you will find a lot of login pages. So here you will have to be careful and you will have to find the correct link. So this is the correct link. You just go ahead and type in amazon.com. So once you do that, you will be directed to the official Amazon page. And once you get here, you will have an option to sign in. If you already have an account, that's great. You can just enter your login credentials and simply get into your account. But if you don't have an account, to create one, you will find this option right here, new to Amazon. You have an option to create a new Amazon account. Here you will have to provide certain details. You have to enter your first and last name, your mobile number or your email, whichever is comfortable for you. And then once you do that, you just have to create a password that must be at least 6 characters. Create your password and then re-enter your password and then click on verify email. So once you do that, an email will be sent to your Gmail right here that you have entered, and then you can just go ahead and verify your account from there, and you should be able to create a new account. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.